Welcome to Tech Genius Hub. Today's journey is a global exploration of beauty as we showcase AI-generated images of women from 17 different countries. Let's discover the diverse and enchanting beauty standards from around the world, all through the lens of DALL-E AI art. Starting in Japan, DALL-E captures the elegance and serenity of Japanese beauty. Notice the traditional attire and the harmonious blend of modern and classic elements. In Brazil, the image embodies vibrant and bold beauty. The AI art reflects the country's lively spirit with rich colors and a joyful expression. Moving to Ukraine, we see a depiction of grace and strength. The image highlights traditional Ukrainian beauty, characterized by its distinct charm and resilience. Over to the USA, the diversity is clear. From cosmopolitan chic to casual elegance, the AI showcases the multifaceted American beauty. In Argentina, there's a blend of passion and poise. The image reflects the vibrant cultural heritage and the confident beauty of Argentine women. Next, in Russia, we find a blend of classic and contemporary. The AI art emphasizes the unique allure and depth of Russian beauty. In India, the image is a riot of colors and tradition. It beautifully captures the rich heritage and the intricate details of Indian beauty. Turning to Italy, the image exudes sophistication and charm. It reflects the elegant and fashion-forward nature of Italian beauty. In Turkey, the AI portrays a blend of East and West. The image resonates with the country's rich history and the unique beauty of Turkish women. Belgium's portrayal is understated yet striking. It shows the subtle and refined beauty that Belgian women are known for. Venezuela's image is all about radiant charm and allure. The AI art captures the vibrant and captivating beauty standards of Venezuelan women. Moving to Sweden, the image depicts elegance and simplicity. It reflects the minimalist yet striking beauty often associated with Swedish women. In Spain, the AI showcases a fiery and spirited beauty. The image captures the passionate and lively essence of Spanish women. In the United Kingdom, the AI creates a blend of classic and modern. British beauty is portrayed with its iconic elegance and diverse charm. From the Philippines, the image radiates warmth and grace. It highlights the natural and captivating beauty of Filipino women. In Colombia, the AI art is vibrant and expressive. It reflects the lively and enchanting beauty standards of Colombian women. Finally, in Denmark, there's a portrayal of minimalist beauty. The image embodies the understated elegance and modernity of Danish women. Our global journey concludes, illustrating the vast and beautiful spectrum of women around the world. These AI-generated images from DALL-E celebrate the rich diversity of beauty across different cultures and regions. We hope this showcase inspires appreciation and admiration for the myriad forms of beauty our world has to offer. If you've enjoyed this journey of beauty and diversity, please share, and subscribe to Tech Genius Hub. Stay tuned for more innovative content where technology meets art